Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 12 Heron's Formula Part 1. In this chapter, we have to discuss about area of a triangle. We know how many sides in a triangle? 3 sides. Okay. So how to find the area of a triangle? Yes, half into base into height. And also you know how to find the perimeter of a triangle. In a triangle, 3 sides and total sum of these 3 sides you will get perimeter of a triangle. Moreover, in a triangle, we need base and its altitude. Then we can find the area of a triangle. Base and altitude. What is altitude? It is from the vertex. Any vertex, take any vertex and draw a perpendicular line to the opposite side. That opposite side is the base and that line is called altitude. So we need base and altitude. Then we can calculate, simply we can calculate the area of a triangle. Here we have an example of area and perimeter of a triangle. We have three sides are given, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and also its altitude is given 6 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of this triangle. How to find the perimeter? Add these three sides, that means 5 plus 5 plus 8, that is equal to 18 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle. Then how to find the area of the triangle? We know half into base into height. Here half into base means 8 centimeter and its height means altitude, that is 6 centimeter. Then half into 8 into 6, that is equal to area is equal to 24 centimeter square. That is the area of the triangle, given triangle. In this problem, we have the altitude or the height of the triangle is given 6 centimeter. Sometimes the altitude or height is not given. So only the three sides are given. That is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter. These three sides are given. So how to find the area of the triangle? In this lesson, we have to find the area of this type of triangle. Okay. So how to find the area of the triangle? That is our question. Here the three sides are given and we need to find the area of the triangle. Very simple formula. That formula is known as Heron's formula. That is our chapter name. Okay. Then area of a triangle is equal to, the formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a comma b and c are the three sides of the triangle and s is equal to half of the perimeter of the triangle. That means add all three sides a plus b plus c and divided by 2. Take the half of that sum. Okay, that means s is equal to a plus b plus c all divided by 2. So this is very important formula. By heart the formula. What is the formula? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. So let us discuss one problem related to this Heron's formula. So find the area of a triangle whose sides are 51 meter, 37 meter and 20 meter. So we need to find the area of a triangle. Three sides are given. Ready? So we can take A equal to 51, B equal to 37 and C equal to 20. So first we need S. S means half of the perimeter. So a plus b plus c all divided by 2. That's equal to 51 plus 37 plus 20 divided by 2. That's equal to 108 by 2. That's equal to 54 meter. So 54 is S, small letter S. Then area of a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Formula is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So we have to substitute all these values in this formula. Okay. In this formula, first one is root of S means already given, that is 54. So 54 into, in the bracket, first bracket, S minus A, that is 54 minus A means 51. 54 minus 51 in the second bracket, 54 minus 37, that is B, and 54 minus 20, that is C. Okay, then 54 the same number, then 54 minus 51 is equal to 3. 54 minus 37, 17, and 54 minus 20, that is 34. Then factorize all the numbers inside the root. The first number is 54. This 54 can be written as 9 into 3 into 2. Okay, 3 is same and 17 same. 34 again factorize, you will get 17 into 2. Okay, so this 9 can be again factorize. Okay, for the easy way we have to write 9. Here the 54 can be again written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, that is also correct. So for the easy calculation I write here 9. Then again we take 9. What is the root of 9? That is 3. So we write the first one is 3. Then again 3 here and 3 is here, and we have two 3's are inside the root. So we can write 1 3 because 3 into 3 equal to 9. Correct. The root of 9 is equal to 3. That's why we write 3. Then here 2 and here also 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. Then again 17 into 17. Inside the root 17 into 17. So we write 117 here. Okay. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 17. So the answer, the last answer is 306. 306 meter square. So this is the area of the given triangle. Okay. Look, one more example. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. So we have to take A equal to 12 centimeter and B equal to 12 centimeter, C equal to 6 centimeter. So we need first S. What is S? Half of the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Add these three. So you will get 12 plus 12 plus 6. That's equal to 30. Half of 30 is equal to 15 centimeter. So S equal to 15 centimeter. Then area of the triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S means 15. 15 into, in the first bracket, 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 the second bracket again. Then 15 minus 6 is the third bracket. Okay. So 15 the same one. 15 minus 12, that's equal to 3. Again 15 minus 12, that's equal to 3 into 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Inside the root again 15 can be factorized. Okay, 15 can be factorized. We can write 15 equal to 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. So 5 into 3 into 3 same, again 3 same. Then 9 can be factorized again 3 into 3. Okay, then root of how many 3 here? 3 into 3, 3 square. Again 3 into 3, 3 square. Here balance 1 3 here, and here balance 5 here. So we write the same number 3 into 5 is there. Okay, 3 square into 3 square into 3 into 5. Then is equal to last step. What is the last step? 3 square means 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. We write here 3. Then 3 square again 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. Say we write here 3 into root of 3 into 5. That means here there is no pair for 3. There is no pair for 5. So we write inside the root. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and root 3 into 5 means root 15. So the area of the triangle is equal to 9 root 15 centimeter square. So this is the area of the given measurements. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.